Walang natanggap na turnover mula kay then Secretary DPWH Secretary Mark Villar, si Secretary Bonoan.
Morning po, Yusek. May we get the palace's reaction to former DPWH Secretary Rogelio Singson, who's questioning the administrations that came after the Pinoy admin. Sabi po ni former Sec, the Aquino admin left a 351 billion peso flood control master plan, but that succeeding governments never acted on it po.
Nadinig po rin natin yan at tinanong po din natin si Secretary Bonoan kung na-turn over ba itong mga sinasabing master plan. Sa kanyang pagkakaalam at sinabi po sa atin kanina ay wala rin po siya natanggap. Walang natanggap na turnover mula kay then Secretary DPWH Secretary Mark Villar, si Secretary Bonoan.